Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create views in Zendesk. Views are incredibly useful for organizing and filtering your support tickets, allowing you to focus on specific types of requests and manage your workflow more efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to zendesk.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has admin permissions, as you'll need these to create and manage views. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. This icon represents your settings and administrative tools. Click on it and it will direct you straight to the Admin Center. The Admin Center is where you'll handle all your advanced configurations and customizations for your Zendesk workspace. Now that you're in the Admin Center, focus on the left sidebar again. Here, you'll need to locate and click on Workspaces. This section contains all the tools for managing how your agents interact with tickets. Once you've clicked on Workspaces, you'll see several options appear. From these, click on Views. This is where all your custom and default views are stored and managed. In the top right corner of the Views page, you'll see a button labeled Create View. Go ahead and click on it to start building your new custom view. This will open up the view creation interface where you'll configure all the settings. The first thing you'll need to do is input a view name. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates what this view is for, such as high-priority tickets or unassigned customer requests. Below that, you'll see a field for a description, but this is optional. If you want to add extra context for your team, feel free to fill it in, otherwise you can leave it blank. Next, you'll see a section labeled Who Has Access. This determines which agents can see and use this view. Click on the drop-down and select from the available options any agent, only you, or agents in specific groups. Choose the option that best fits your team's needs. For example, if this view is just for your personal workflow, select only you. Now let's move on to the Conditions section. This is where you define which tickets will appear in your view. Click on Add Conditions under Meet all of the following conditions. You'll see a field where you can select Ticket, then choose Assignee from the drop-down. After that, select an operator and a value, such as Requester. This tells Zendesk to filter tickets based on who they're assigned to or who requested them. If you need more specific filtering, you can add more conditions by clicking Add Conditions again and setting additional criteria. Below that, you'll find the Select Data section. This area displays the columns that will appear in your view. You can customize this by removing columns you don't need or adding new ones that are more relevant to your workflow. Simply click on the columns to adjust them according to your preferences. Next, there's a Group By option. This allows you to organize your tickets into groups based on specific criteria. Select from the available options and then choose between ascending or descending order to sort those groups in the way that makes the most sense for you. Finally, you'll see the Order By section. This determines how the tickets within your view are sorted overall. For example, you might choose ID and then select either ascending or descending. This ensures your tickets are displayed in the exact order you need to work through them efficiently. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Save at the bottom of the page. Your new view will now be created and available for use. You've just customized your Zendesk workspace to better suit your support workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.